Ladies and gentlemen, we are diving in today to Tableau, so let us get into it. First of all, what is Tableau? Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool that is revolutionizing the way that we interact with our data. So, exploring some of its rich features and products, Tableau is renowned for its intuitive drag and drop interface, making data analysis accessible to users of all levels. Its robust visualization compatibilities allow for the creation of interactive dashboards and reports that bring data to life. With Tableau, users can explore dynamically, uncovering insights through various charts, graphs, and maps. Its advanced analytics feature enables predictive modeling, trend analysis, and statistical calculations, empowering users to make data-driven decisions with confidence. Having a look at some of the resources that it also offers its users. The Tableau platform provides a wealth of resources to support users on their data journey, from online tutorials and training programs to a vibrant community of users sharing best practices and tips. Tableau ensures that users have the tools and the knowledge that they need to succeed. Additionally, Tableau's extensive library of pre-built visualizations and templates accelerates the dashboard creation process, allowing users to focus on analyzing data rather than designing visuals from scratch. Let's have a look now at some of the solutions that Tableau offers. Now, Tableau offers a range of solutions tailored to meet the diverse needs of its each and every individual user. Whether you're an individual looking to explore data on your desktop, a team collaborating on a project, or an enterprise seeking to scale analytics across the organization, Tableau has a solution for you. From Tableau Desktop for personal use to Tableau Service for sharing insights securely, and Tableau Online for cloud-based collaboration. Tableau's suite of products cater to a wide range of data analytics requirements. So, will you be using Tableau? Is it just a tool or is it a gateway to unlocking the full potential of your data? With its user-friendly interface, rich features, and extensive resources, tailored solutions, Tableau empowers users, just like you and me, to see and understand their data in ways that they never could possibly do. If this video was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time. Cheers.